Whenever we talk about potential difference or EMF, it is often misunderstood that what is what. Okay, so in this video, we'll try to discuss that actually what is potential difference and what is the EMF. So it is a typical theoretical topic where you have to understand it on the factual basis. So potential difference is all type of energy transferred by the battery or similar devices when that is getting transferred or that is getting converted to any of the other form. So it is like a energy supplied by battery, but it is getting transferred to, let's say, sound or light or heat also. These all will be treated as potential difference. But whenever any of the energy source is getting transferred to electrical energy, whether it can be from any of the source, then it will be treated as EMF. So in short, EMF is all other types of energy getting transferred to electrical energy. We call that as electromotive force, which is used to move the electrons in the circuit. And all other different types of energies, when the electrical energy is getting transferred to other forms, then we call it as potential difference.